In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mirror objects in Adobe Illustrator using the reflect command. By the end, you'll know exactly how to flip artwork left to right, top to bottom, or along a custom angle, and how to create mirrored copies without losing your original. Start by selecting the object you want to mirror, click it with the selection tool so you can see its bounding box. If you're working with multiple shapes and want them to reflect together, make sure they're all selected before you continue. Next, go to the top menu and choose Object, then Transform and click Reflect. This opens the Reflect dialog box, which is where all the mirroring options live. Think of this dialog as a way to choose the line you're flipping across. If you choose vertical, Illustrator flips the object left to right, as if you placed a mirror along a vertical line. This is perfect for creating symmetrical left-right designs, like flipping a shape to face the opposite direction. If you choose horizontal, the object flips up to down, mirroring across a horizontal line. That's handy for reflections above or below a baseline, or when you need an upside-down version. For more control, use the angle option. This lets you reflect across a custom diagonal line. For example, entering 45 degrees reflects across a diagonal axis, which is great for creating balanced corner-to-corner symmetry. You can type in any angle to suit your layout. If there's a preview checkbox in your dialog, turn it on to see the result before committing. If you don't see preview or change your mind later, you can always undo. When you're happy with the setting, click OK to mirror the object. This replaces its original orientation with the reflected version. If you want to keep the original and create a mirrored duplicate instead, click Copy. Illustrator will instantly place a new mirrored copy while leaving the original untouched. From there, you can drag the copy into position. Holding Shift while dragging keeps the movement constrained so it stays aligned. A couple of quick pointers as you work. Reflecting is different from rotating. Rotate spins an object around a point, while reflect flips it across a line. If your object looks offset after reflecting, that's normal. You can reposition it as needed. And if the results aren't what you expected, try toggling between vertical, horizontal,